do love you. But love alone means nothing if you don't respect me.
You say you love me, you want this for life, but you never think how your words can cut like a knife. I stay quiet, I crave affection, but every day I'm scared you'll break my heart again. It's not just flowers that make a garden grow, it's how you treat me that makes me stay or go. I'm not your mother, this love needs a line. It's not about control, it's the respect you show in time. If you give me respect, I'll give you my all of my love, my time, you can have it all. I won't walk away, but I won't pretend. A love without respect will break us in the end. Yes, my love is unconditional, but it's not blind, it needs intention. I'm not your mom, I'm the woman you chose. So give me respect and you'll get everything you hope. I know sacrifice, I forgive and pain, but my dignity's not a game. I don't need promises on a paper sheet, I need your actions to say you see me. You can say sweet things, you can make me laugh, but without respect those words don't last. It's never too late to change what you do. If you love me, let your actions show it's true. If you give me respect, I'll give you my all of my love, my time, you can have it all. Don't make me beg for what I deserve. Only through respect can this love be preserved. Yes, my love is unconditional, but it remembers every time I hurt. I'm not your mom, I'm the woman who could change your life, but only if you give me respect. Even the deepest love needs boundaries. I won't tolerate, I will love, but only with respect.